How's it going, YouTube? It's Mitch Santona here with Transformers Rescue Bots Optimus Prime. Now, yesterday I went walking through my local Toys R Us, looking for anything of interest, and they had nothing. The entire store just sucked yesterday, so went down the kitty aisle looking for some toys for my niece, and lo and behold, I find a Rescue Bot just sitting all by his lonesome. And, I don't know if it's me just being easily amused, if it's me being totally bored, or if it's me just being a big kid. But I bought this. And I'm pretty glad I did, because this is kind of cool. You grab the cab, bada bing, flip his feet up, and you're done. And that looks cool. Overall, this is a child's toy. It doesn't have much of any articulation except just for what the Automorph allows, such as springy little fists, springy little arms, springy little head. His feet go up and down, but that's part of the transformation, and they will go side to side, and you can also bend him that way for whatever reason. Other than that, this is a kid's toy, but it is cool and kind of fun to look at. I like this, and I may get a few more. Take it easy, everybody. This is Mitch Santona saying, yeah, grab yourself a Rescue Bot. See ya.